Hey bunnies, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these jumbo ombre braids. This look was inspired by iAmMingLee. She did the 613 color, which is what I wanted to do initially, and my beauty supply store actually did get the 613 ombre in stock, but it was just so I couldn't wrap my mind around me wearing that color hair. Like, for the longest time I knew I wanted to do it, but as soon as I saw it I was like, no, forget it, let me go back to this honey blonde look. The brand of hair that I use is Bobbi Boss, which is 100% Canon. We all know Bobbi Boss is. You find it in your local beauty supply store for $1.99, but this one is the ombre. This is a 1B at the roots and a 27 on the ends, and this one I paid $2.99 for, so $1 more than the regular Canon. It might be more or less at your local beauty supply store, but that's what I paid for mine. I used 10 packs of hair. I have 20 braids, so for each pack I split that in two, and that did, yeah, half a pack did one braid. For one of them I did do a faux lock, which is this one right here, and this was not from the 10 that I bought, but because I had some extra from like a while back. I had done 2 cornrows going back. I had some extra hair left over, so I just wrapped it on one of the braids, and that was this here. Now let's jump into the tutorial. The first thing I did, of course, I had to wash my hair, deep condition. I did do a blowout. I didn't, it didn't blow all the way out straight because I'm going to be braiding it and I don't want to use too much heat on my hair, but of course I did use a heat protectant on my hair. I also moisturized and sealed with argan oil. After I washed and dried my hair, I sectioned it into 4 sections. From those 4 sections, I sectioned each section into 5 individual sections, securing them with rubber bands and some edge control. The edge control that I used was the Ampro Shine and Gem, which you guys know is one of my favorites. If you have one that you prefer to use, go ahead and do that. It will keep your hair, nice and smooth and sleek. I will insert 1 or 2 clips of me actually braiding. All I did was take 1/3 from the bundle that I had and made that into a T, folded that around so that I had 1, 2, 3 strands. I really hope you can understand what I'm saying. And then just did a regular 3-strand braid on each section. I did not take off the rubber band. I braided it on the hair with the rubber band on there. I'm not that great at gripping, especially with these nails, so the rubber band definitely helps, and it will keep the hair secure and looking neat for the couple of weeks that I'll have this hairstyle for. I did not cut any of the packs. It does come all the way down to my waist. Of course, you guys know I love my super long hair, so if it was longer I would have loved it even more, but I'm not a fan of the expression hair. I don't know how so many people love it, but I prefer the Canon over the expression. I'm sorry, that's just me. So the day they made the Canon like super long, I'm sold. I dipped the ends in hot water and then added some mousse on there. The mousse I use is the Tresemme. It's the extra firm control. Now what you also would want to do is trim the extra, the flyaways and stuff like that. I left it because I like it to look a little bit more natural than like all the way done. You guys know me. I like my hair looking slept in. I don't go for that perfect look. Alright, so if that's what you're going for, go ahead and trim off the excess strangly hairs that are there. Go ahead, do your mousse after you do your hot water, and you're good to go. The only thing I don't like are how the ends came out. The ends, I did dip them, and I noticed the crinkles, so I dipped them again to see if we get it straight. Did not get straight, so that's the only thing that I'm not happy about, the crinkliness of the ends, but that's like minor. I do love the braids. I am super happy with it. The only thing I probably would change is how the middle part looks right here. That's about it. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave it in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face.